les fans de Royal sont beaucoup plus intéressés par Kate, duchesse de Cambridge que par sa belle-sœur Meghan, duchesse de Sussex, selon un rapport. Une nouvelle étude de Barban suggère que le régime de Kate est le sujet le plus populaire parmi les fans royaux. Le régime alimentaire de la duchesse de Cambridge a été fouillé 7 fois plus que celui de Meghan. Cependant, l'intérêt va bien au-delà de la nourriture dans leurs assiettes, car les fans veulent absolument tout savoir sur la duchesse de Cambridge et la duchesse de Sussex, de la mode à la nourriture en passant par la famille. Selon les experts en exercice et en nutrition Barban, Kate a de loin le régime royal le plus populaire. Her eating habit receive approximately 4,600 internet ch per month, more than 55,000 each year, which is 7 times more than Meghan. The former Suits actress is number 2 on the list, pulling 1,100 ch per month. At number 3 is Queen Elizabeth II. She is followed by two late royals, Princess Diana and Grace Kelly, who round out the top 5. Kate looks have been described as fabulous at 40, and that's thanks in part to her nutritious daily diet according to Barban. For breakfast, she starts the day with slow burn energy oats to give her fuel for a busy day of royal events and running after 3 small kids. The Duchess of Cambridge also starts her day with a workout that includes running and planking. And she's been known to blend her own antioxidant-filled smoothie to maintain her natural, glowing skin. Those smoothies feature a mix of kale, spirulina, matcha, spinach, romaine, and blueberry. For lunch, Kate keeps up the antioxidant-rich theme by consuming organic foods with as many raw ingredients as possible. Salads are a lunch staple for Kate, which include a juicy, pink watermelon mixed with avocado, onion, cucumber, and feta cheese. Vegetable kebab and lentil curry are also on the list of Kate's favorites, as she mostly sticks to lighter, plant-based foods for lunch. When it comes to snack, raw fruit and veggies are Kate's go-to. Some of her favorites are goji berries and olive. For dinner, Kate will indulge in traditional English favorites like roasted chicken. She also loves cooking pasta and pizza with Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. Sushi is also a favorite of William and Kate's, and she's been known to experiment with seafood. To flush out toxins in her system and get that enviable glow, Meghan begins her day with hot water and a spritz of lemon. Like Kate, Meghan usually opts for oats for breakfast. But she goes with steel cut oats mixed with almond or soy milk, plus some bananas and agave syrup. Meghan keeps up her plant-based lifestyle at lunch, with one of her favorite meals being avocado and toast. The Duchess of Sussex orders it with a poached egg when she's staying at a hotel. She also loves fish tacos. No matter where she is, Meghan has a habit of keeping things light and fresh at lunchtime. Meghan is a foodie who loves to cook dinner for her family and friends. Roasted chicken is a staple at Meghan's home, just like it is at Kate's. The California native also loves pork roast, lamb tagine, and fall of the bone slow-cooked chicken from the crock-pot. For dessert, Meghan loves to make a banana cake with 2 secret ingredients, chocolate chips and ginger. A Barban spokesman said, "The Duchess of Sussex has a healthy attitude to the psychology of food and eating, saying that the key to her eating routine is to avoid feeling deprived because as soon as you start to feel deprived, you start to binge of things." They went on to say that Meghan Sabi of incorporating filling foods with a diet of raw fruit and veggies is a sensible and moderate approach to eating that will promote longevity and long-term health and fitness.